Hello, welcome to part 2 of upgrading the rXg. In this series, we cover the process of upgrading your rXg from first notification that you are due an upgrade to the multiple options for actually performing the task. If you haven't watched part 1 and want to start there, click the card on your screen or look for a link in the description box where you will also find the entire Upgrading the rXg playlist. In this video, we cover the rXg Automatic Update, a simple upgrade through the web interface for both software only and software plus operating system. The rXg Automatic Update is the most common method to update software and the easiest. It's a one-click solution. It will pull the files over the internet, so it may not always be the most practical choice if you have low bandwidth. Also, this option will always upgrade to the latest version of the software, so while we always recommend using the latest, it is important to choose another upgrade method if you have a specific older version of the software you need to select. To access the automatic update, navigate to System, Update. Here you will find two automatic options. Automatic OS Update, which updates both the rXg software and the underlying OS, and rXg Automatic Update, which updates only the rXg software. Before performing any update, it is important to take a backup of your current configuration. This can be downloaded directly from the update page here. We recommend having the rXg software on the latest version prior to running OS updates, so regardless of your desired end state, you'll want to begin by locating the rXg Automatic Update option at the bottom of the page. This software-only update can be as quick as 15 minutes, although this will of course vary with the speed of your internet connection. You should only expect disruption to new client connections and administrative functions, and you should see no impact to existing clients. Enter your credentials. These will be the same credentials that you use to access the RGNet support portal. If you do not have access to the support portal, speak to an administrator for your organization. When you click Update rXg, your browser will prompt you to confirm that you want to perform the update and advise you to take a backup. I would like to reiterate in the strongest possible terms that backing up your configuration at this point is recommended. If you have not yet taken your backup, please do so now. Once that is downloaded, click OK to begin the update. As it progresses, the logs will be displayed through the web interface. These same logs can be viewed through the console or an SSH session using the command tfur. When the update is complete, the web server will restart. Once the restart is complete, the rXg will be running on the new build. If an OS update is not indicated, then congratulations! You've successfully upgraded your rXg. If you do need to perform an OS update as well, navigate again to System Update and look for the rXg Automatic OS Update option. An OS update can take multiple hours and disrupts traffic to all devices behind the rXg, so you'll want to plan accordingly. Because it will disrupt all connectivity to the rXg, it is also recommended to either have someone local to the physical machine or to have out-of-band access, such as an IPMI, iDRAC, or access to the hypervisor. This allows you to quickly move to a recovery plan if something should go wrong. As before, you'll initiate the upgrade by entering your credentials, clicking the Update button, and acknowledging the prompt confirming that you want to perform the update and advising you on a backup. Once you click OK, the update will begin. The OS update is a 3-stage process, and the system will reboot for each one. You will be able to observe progress and see the logs displayed in the web interface during the first part of the upgrade. But after the first reboot, it will be inaccessible. At this point, logs can be viewed through an SSH session using the command tfuf. Do not power off, reboot, or disconnect the rXg from the internet at this time. After the system finishes the upgrade process, the web server will restart, and once it has done so, the upgrade process is complete, with updated operating system and software. This automatic update may be a simple set it and forget it option, but as mentioned earlier, there are reasons it may not be the right one for you. For a less hands-off approach, join us in Part 3, rXg Operating System Update via ISO file.